Hey, and welcome to the YepText Classroom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send a single text message to a specific number if you want to do that. And all you have to do is click the Messages tab at the top here, and it'll take you to the Send Group Text Message campaign. But obviously you don't want to send a group text message, you want to send a single text message. So you'll notice a tab right here where my mouse is, and that'll allow you to send to a single text, or send a single text in other words. So when you click on this, it'll take you to this page, and all you have to do then is put in the phone number that you want to send, add in your message, and click Send Now. And that is all you have to do to send a single text message. So this is a very easy way if you want to ever text someone specifically, if you're doing, let's say, reminding someone about an appointment that they have or anything like that, without having to worry about sending a group text and you only want to send to one person. This feature allows you to do that, and hopefully you can enjoy that and use it. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.